One of my favorite song, guys. So enjoy. Drop your comment. Tell me what you feel about this song. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Party, and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see love like in your eyes. And the wonder of it all, that you just don't realize how much I love you. Go home now, I've got aching pain. So I give her the car key. She helps me to bed, and then I tell her, as I turn off the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Wonderful song for wonderful woman. Wonder Woman 1984.